How everybody doing today? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification if you haven't. We're going to be going over the beautiful Rolex Presidential in 18 karat gold. We're going to start off with the case being a 40 millimeter round case shape and a solid case back. Rolex has the beautiful, elegant bracelet with the center being actually polished and the outside being brushed. You have the beautiful scratch resistant sapphire crystal with the champagne dial, Roman numeral hour markers with the fixed 18 karat fluted bezel and a screw down crown. The weight is of course heavy because you have a solid 18 karat watch, with the bracelet being of course solid 18 karat, but then also the concealed folding clasp of the legendary Rolex Presidential. The automatic movement in this watch is by Rolex themselves with the caliber number 3255. And this luxury watch has a beautiful water resistance of 100 meters, being roughly 330 feet. The price point on this watch can vary, but this watch here today is $47,500. Depending on box, card, and papers, condition, and year, you may be a little more or a little less, but you will not get less of a watch. The functions on this watch, of course, are the iconical day and date that Rolex sought out to put into the consumer's hands, and we all feel in love for what we have here, the beautiful Rolex Presidential. Make sure that you ladies and gentlemen stay tuned. Let me know if you believe that the Rolex Presidential was the watch that set Rolex apart, or was it maybe the Daytona or the Submariner? Make sure you hit that bell notification and subscribe. Watch this.